Since the 1970s, digital image processing and computer-generated imagery, including early 3D wireframe model building and animations, were occasionally used in commercials, as well as obviously to represent future-looking computer technology in big Hollywood films. Tron comes to mind, obviously in the 80s. I think Black Hole was another Disney movie that came out just before that. But most notably, Star Wars was very much into this whole thing. I also want to mention one of the biggest things, um, one of the trippiest things I've ever seen. It was a film by Frank Zappa, which came out in 1979. It was called Baby Snakes. It's a movie which includes footage from Frank Zappa's 1977 Halloween concert in New York City's Palladium Theater. In it are some of the craziest stop-motion claymation by award-winning animator Bruce Bickford. I'm going to show you some of this and watch as much as you possibly can stand. It's really out there. I will say this, that I went to a screening of this years ago, and Bruce Bickford actually said that everyone thinks that while he was making it, he was just stoned out of his mind. And he said that actually Frank Zappa had a rule that there was no weed, and there was nothing like that allowed on set. So even though it might give you the impression that this was like a very film made under maybe certain a certain state of mind, it wasn't. In fact, they actually had to have a very clear head to make something like what they made because of the amount of detail. But watch this.